Welcome to Lawyer in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make collard greens and ham soup. And this is so good. We just had this at a restaurant we go to all the time, the Blue Halo. And they kind of gave me the recipe. I don't know. We think we have the recipe. Anyhow, it was super, super tasty. And it's not hard to make. The only thing is that you've got to make and come have a look at this, Felicity, because this is, I started cooking this yesterday, okay? And this was 16 ounces of collard greens cut up and 2 ham hocks, and I cooked it for about 8 hours. When you talk about collard greens, where do you think they come from? What part of the country? What's your vote, Miss Brooks? Southeast what? United States. No, I'm talking about country, not United States. We didn't have collard greens until the 1600s.
Country of origin. Ireland.
Ireland. Ireland. Got 2 Irelands and a...
If I don't say Ireland, I'm going to look stupid.
Well, do you think?
Yeah.
It comes from... The first collards came 2,000 years ago near Greece in the Mediterranean. They arrived in America in the 1600s in Jamestown, Virginia. And that, ever since then, is where collards have come from and where they're eaten. Now, are they in the South the most? Of course they are, because they're good. We're going to have some potatoes in it. We have ham. We have bacon, onions, garlic, balsamic vinegar, and some Worcestershire sauce, which we're going to put in. We're going to try about 1.5 tablespoons to begin with to see where we get, because I did it. Tell me exactly what these measurements were. Anyhow, and I'm going to have, when this is all said and done, I'm making chicken stock. We're going to put in about 4 cups. If we need more than that, we'll do that. But this, I just start with a base and put it in hot water, and this looks just fine. This is 3 cups. We'll probably put at least 1 more cup in. And turn up the heat. And we're definitely going to put 1 more cup in. I'm going to go ahead and put the bacon in. This is about, say about 5-6 ounces of bacon, about 1 pound of ham. Thank you, ma'am. I just bought a ham steak and cut it up in the relatively small pieces. 2 potatoes, russet potatoes. Last but not least, for right now, garlic. On the balsamic, I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon. And on the Worcestershire, about 1.5 tablespoons. We really want to taste it, so that's in the ballpark. And I'm going to put a little more water, if I can get 1 more cup of water. And we're going to cook this for about 30-40 minutes. Look at this. This is done. This is cooked about 45 minutes. Of course, all this cooked yesterday for about 8 hours with 2 ham hocks. This is going to be good. It's super flavorful. Look at that juice. All right, we're going to try this. This is a 2-day soup, but it's going to be great, I think. Let's see. Get a little piece of ham. I get a little piece of bacon, a little potato. I hate to say this. Not really. I won't brag again. This is good. You haven't even eaten collard, Seth, right?
Correct.
I can't wait for you to try this and you tell me. Now listen, don't be making funny faces on this thing when you do this.
All right.
Okay? All right.
Ooh. You're going to like this.
Okay.
We need 1 more spoon.
1 more spoon. This is good.
I like it.
I like the bacon.
Don't you? Nice.
Yeah.
It's yummy. I like it. That's the Lord making vegetables good.
All right.
I approve. First time having collard greens.
That's incredible to me. You lived in South for how long?
6 years.
Oh my gosh. If you would, like and subscribe, and thanks for coming to my channel and enjoying Lawyer in the Kitchen. We'll see you next time.